To customize your profile on Suno AI is fairly simple. You're going to open up Suno AI and then you're going to tap on your profile icon. Then you're going to select profile, and then from here, you'll be brought to your current account profile. So the first thing that you can be able to customize is the banner image for your profile. So you can go ahead and select edit. And then from here, you can choose to upload a photo or you can just leave it as is with just the regular default background image. The same goes for the profile picture. You can just select edit and then you can customize it however it is you want. You can choose to replace it by uploading your own image, or you can just remove it and keep it empty. You can also choose to change your display name as well as add a bio telling anybody who looks at your Suno AI profile about yourself and your handle. From here, you can also add other information such as your social networks as well as your genres. And once you're happy with all of the changes you'll have made, just select save and your profile changes should be saved. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll see you in the next video.